In previous lesson, we have learned about Microsoft PowerPoint main interface. And now before start working actually in Microsoft PowerPoint, we would like to mention here that before start working on any presentation project, you must plan it first. And for planning, you can use any simple word processing application, or you can even write those points which you want to cover in your presentation. Here we would like to give you a demonstration. Here we are on a simple word processing application. You can use any of them, or you can even use a simple paper and a pencil to note down those points as we have mentioned before. Here you can see that if we are planning to make a presentation of 4 slides, we must need to plan that what title should our presentation have. Like if on a title slide, which usually is the first slide, should have the name or the reference of the presentation which we want to make. Like if you want to make a presentation about car or motor vehicle, title slide should have something which gives an idea that what this presentation is about, what you want to tell your audience on your first slide after the title slide. If you are planning to make a presentation which have to give some information about car or motor vehicle, then first slide can give some definition of car. What is a car? On this slide, we would like to give some information about car, that what car actually is. This can be anything about which you are planning your presentation, but here we are just giving you an idea that you need to plan your presentation first before start working on it. So here we have decided to make a presentation on car, and on the first slide, we would like to give some information about what the car actually is. And on the second slide, we would like to give some information about the history of car. This can be one way to plan your presentation. You can do it in any way which is convenient for you, or you can plan it according to the requirement of your audience where you want to present your presentation, because the main purpose of this software or to create presentation is to convey the information you would like to give to your audience. This can be your class, this can be your some business project, or something about your upcoming product, or some new service which you are about to launch. So here we have mentioned that you need to plan your presentation content first, and then after planning your presentation content, you need to collect your assets which you want to use in your presentation. Like in most of the presentation, we would like to use some images. So you need to collect your images while planning your presentation. And when you start working on your presentation file in Microsoft PowerPoint, and you have already prepared your assets, you can quickly go through the process and make your final presentation. I hope now you have some idea that why we need to plan our presentation before start working on it.